Last week for science, we started talking about weather, and this week we are going to continue, but we're going to focus a little bit more on clouds. So today I'm going to read you a book on clouds. Clouds float across the sky. Clouds are made of water drops. Some clouds are made of ice crystals. Clouds form when air rises and cools. The cold, the colder air cannot hold as much water as the warm air. Some of the water changes into tiny drops. The water drops mix with dust in the air. The water drops and dust clump together to make clouds. Clouds carry water to the earth. Rain falls from clouds when the air is warm. Snow falls from the clouds when the air is very cold. Clouds come in many shapes and sizes. Some clouds are high in the sky, some clouds are low in the sky. Cirrus clouds are curly and wispy. Sometimes they look like a horse's tail. Cirrus clouds are thin enough to see through. Stormy weather could be coming if cirrus clouds are in the sky. Cumulus clouds look like cotton balls. They are puffy on top and float on the bottom. Cumulus clouds that are small and white bring good weather. Sometimes cumulus clouds grow bigger and taller. They become dark cumulonimbus clouds. These clouds bring thunderstorms. Stratus clouds are low in the sky. They are flat and can be thick or thin. Rain or snow can fall from stratus clouds. Sometimes the rain is a light drizzle. A cloud close to the ground is fog. Fog forms when the earth is warm and the air is cool and moist. Sometimes wind blows fog away. Sometimes fog dries up in the heat of the sun. Meteorologists study the weather. The shapes of the clouds tell them what kind of weather is coming next. Look up in the sky. What kind of weather do you see in the clouds?